See if he picks up.
So when I saw it, I was just like, I immediately regretted selling it. That was my baby, you know?
Composer.
Boom! What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the ultra rare manual C300 part 3. As you can see from the title, this is gonna be a good one. As you just saw there, we got the first full tank in the C300. The first gas fill up in your new car is always monumental, and one thing about this gas fill up is it was far cheaper than usual thanks to me using the Get Upside app. So we're all car guys, right? We all burn through a lot of gas unless you have a Tesla. But if you're going to the gas station, you guys need to download this app. This is not a sponsored video or anything. I'm just telling you, I have saved hundreds of dollars using this app. No strings attached. It is 100% free money when you buy gas, and then all you do, you scan the receipt. Done. In this case, I got 32 cents off per gallon free cash back. My current cash balance on the app is at $42. I just use it anytime I fill up gas, and then I cash it out for either a PayPal payment or a gift card. Link down below. Use our special code. It will give you an additional 20 cents off per gallon on your first fill up. You're helping me get some free gas. I'm helping you get some free gas, and the app is 100% free, like I said. But anyway, as for today's video, this is crazy. So from the drop, you guys have been killing the videos. A lot of you guys like to mess around with me and say that like, oh, I was the previous owner of this car, yada yada yada. So I got about 5 people claiming that they were the previous owner of this car and to like contact them and stuff. And after a little bit of digging, I realized that they were just lies. I started to get some more comments the next couple days saying like, yo, this is Composer's old car. And I was like, wait a second, the Composer, the guy who makes like all the music for DDE and Vehicle Virgins, those cool intro songs?
DDE, baby, every day is super crazy.
So I went on his channel, I scrolled all the way back, and sure enough, his first 2 videos were like, driving my C300 manual, and I'm like, no way, this is the car. So I hit those videos, and sure enough, the exact car, the same mods and everything. Like, I saw the wheels, I saw the facelift headlights and taillights. I knew right away that was the car. So I immediately checked my Instagram, and that morning he actually DM'd me. I didn't see it, and he said, yo, like, you got my car, you bought my car. I DM'd him back, I'm like, no way, like, I actually did, this is insane. And he actually dropped his phone number, and he said, like, give me a call, I'll tell you all about the car, and I'll tell you all the mods that I did. So it was so perfect that he came forward. And what are the odds that it just happens to be another YouTuber's car? So that's pretty cool that the car lives on YouTube in a sense. So I eventually gave him a call, and I have those clips. So I hope you guys enjoy this conversation, and then we'll swing back to you. Without further ado, roll the clips. All right, guys, let's give him a call. He said that he is free. Here we go. He's gonna tell us all about the car. See if he picks up. He doesn't have my number.
Hello?
Yo, it's Jeff from JR Garage. How are you doing?
What's up, man? How you doing?
I'm doing all right, man. This is crazy. When I woke up to your comments this morning, you know, I got the camera out too recording, so feel free to tell anybody, you know, what you know about the car.
Well, first, when I saw okay, because I have a few subscribers too, and one of them found it for me, and
wow.
when I saw it, I was just like, I immediately regretted selling it. Like, my dad, he was the one driving it, and somebody hit him from the front, so like, he didn't get in an accident, but there was another accident in front of him, and then those cars slid into him.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Yeah, if you do any donuts in it, the first time I did donuts, the power steering just completely cut out, and I had the steering I couldn't even steer the car. It was like a $1,200 fix, so. Okay,
take it easy. I don't plan to do any donuts for a little while, but it sounds great. So did you do the muffler delete?
I did, yeah. Everything on that car, that car was bone stock when I bought it in like 2014, actually.
Yo, okay, so you did everything.
Yeah, I bought it for 17, and it had 60,000 miles on it. And yeah, and I didn't even know how to drive a stick. I actually learned how to drive a stick
on this car.
But I wanted an AMG so bad, so I, you know, kept trying to. I just put a bunch of AMG parts on that one, and like, you know. Like the headlights, you were right about that. Those are the off a C63 that I found at a junkyard. I have a C63 lip, like a carbon fiber lip that I was going to install in the diffuser, but I didn't have time because the car got into an accident.
And then the other mods, like the taillights, those are like off like a facelift update, right, or something?
Yeah, facelifted. The grill is actually off of a newer C63. The rims those are not real. They're like the replicas.
Okay, they are replicas.
Yeah.
All right.
They look good though. They look good for them. Wish I took off because I literally just put those tires on the car right before the accident.
That was you with the PS4 Michelins and stuff.
Yeah.
We found like the receipts and stuff. It said like, you know, $1,200. I was like, holy cow.
Yeah. I wanted to apologize for the chapstick. At a certain point, I don't know, like I had the car for like 5 years and I was just like, whatever.
That was the only messy part, but the rest of the car, man, super clean car.
I was looking for that scale that you guys found.
Oh my gosh.
And when you put it on the internet, me and my girlfriend were like, what the hell? She's like, what's the scale?
What about the dog bowl and stuff? Is that yours?
Yep, that's my little doggy.
Bro, all right, you got to come out to Arizona. You can come get it. I got it here in a pile. I didn't give it away already.
You guys are in Arizona?
Phoenix,
nice, okay.
yeah.
Yeah, her family lives out there.
Oh, come on by. You can come drive it again. Be reunited.
Yeah, and the seats were like not in good condition, so I literally had the left seat redone, just this like a brand new seat.
Yeah, I can tell.
The shift knob was cracked and stuff. You know, I was just in the process of like cleaning it up. That was my daily driver, you know, because I have a C63S now, you know.
Well, I mean, it looks really, really good. I mean, yeah, I cleaned up the whole interior. Looks great in here. I could tell the seats were like they had to have been new or something, reupholstered.
They're literally probably 2 months old. Like. Even the armrest the leather was cracked, and I had that whole thing redone on the side. The right window wasn't working; it wouldn't roll down, so I had that fixed. Yeah. I was just like in the process of just making it. It's lowered too, by the way. I don't know if you saw.
Yeah, we just saw that. I'm loving it so far. It seems like other people are enjoying it too. Like nobody knows this car exists. Like I'm sure you ran into it.
Honestly, like my first video getting into YouTube on my channel. Is about that car. It's literally titled "Last Drive in My Rare Mercedes." And like I feel like. At the time, I didn't have enough traction for people to realize what I had. And I really wanted the AMG so bad, and I ended up getting the C63S. So,
yeah, well,
I moved on.
Yeah, 100%. To everyone watching the channel, I'm recording right now, and definitely check out his channel. I'll link it down below. You post some awesome stuff, and like, I mean, for those of you who don't know him, you record the music for like DDE and like Vehicle Virgins, a bunch of those guys, right?
I did the Daily Driven Exotics theme song. I've done a few other people. David and Dave are close friends of mine.
Love the music, love the sounds. I was listening to some stuff earlier.
If you guys need a theme song, let's go.
Yo, I'm so down actually. Your stuff is amazing. That would be awesome.
Yeah.
But yeah, everyone watching the video, go check out his channel, link down below. He posted 2 videos with this car.
That was my baby. You know, I dubbed it the Millennium Falcon. That's what I named it because I'm a Star Wars nerd. So
I saw the Millennium Falcon keychain in here.
Oh, I need that.
Dude, oh my gosh. I'm gonna like mail you a package if you don't come to Phoenix. I'm gonna mail it off to you.
No, I'm gonna come see you, man. We gotta do something together.
Yes, sir. Come out here. I have all your stuff in a little pile. The Millennium. Okay, so it's nicknamed the Millennium Falcon. Well, we'll keep that. This is now the Millennium Falcon. Yeah. It's been named that. Good thing I didn't come up with a name yet, so we'll keep it rolling with that. And you can.
You know what? That's awesome. I appreciate that. The Millennium Falcon. I love it.
100%. Well, it's staying here for now, and I don't know the future with it. You know, we were toying around with, maybe give it away because it's such a rare, cool car that, you know, I don't know, but I don't want to give it away. I like it so much already.
Yeah, just might have to keep it in the family, man.
I have to keep it in the family. Yep. I like it. Well, thanks for filling me in on all the mods. Now it all makes sense. Like, thank you so much for filling in all the details, and the accident makes sense. Like, it's crazy. It's so minor, but I guess, you know, technically insurance companies have to put it back to perfect, and a new bumper and stuff adds up quick.
Right. I'm glad it went to you guys instead of like Taiwan or something you were saying on your episode, or the bidding, you know what I mean?
Oh, yeah, dude. Libya and Nicaragua or Guatemala.
Crazy.
Dude, I was bidding against so many people on this thing, but I had to get it.
Yeah, no, this is cool for me too, because I kind of get to relive it, you know, after the fact, you know what I mean? So it's cool.
100%. Yeah, keep an eye out on the channel. We got some fun videos going out, and it's in good hands. Thanks for taking good care of it.
That feels good. Yeah, that feels good, man. That's awesome, man. Sounds good. Well, talk to you soon.
All right, yes, talk soon. Come to Arizona soon. I got all your stuff, and come drive it again and relive some old memories.
Sweet, man. Will do. Thank you.
All right, thanks so much. See you.
Okay,
bye. What? Guys, that is so insane. The power of social media. It's funny how he said, yo, that's my scale. I'm looking for that. That's his scale. Those are his dog bowls. That's his Millennium Falcon keychain that I found while I was cleaning out the interior. That's crazy. Small world, but it was awesome to get him on the phone. Was not expecting this, to be honest. And now the car is with us. All right, back to present day Jeffrey. All right, so what do you guys think about that phone call? I learned so much about the car, so thank goodness he filled me in on all the information, and thank goodness he came forward. And get this, since our phone call, I talked to him more about like mods that we had planned for the car, and I told him we want to do the carbon fiber diffuser and like little trunk spoiler, which you guys really want to see done based on last video. Hundreds of comments asking to please do those modifications. So I told him that, and he said, oh, no way, get this. I actually bought some carbon fiber parts to put onto the car, but I never got around to it. Like, do you want them? Hoping we can arrange that soon. So stay tuned. This car is 100% getting some carbon fiber goodies. I told him to come out to Arizona and we got to hang out, and he's got to drive his car again. And that would be awesome to see him be reunited with the car. You could hear it in his voice. He was like so upset that he let this car go. And you can tell he really knows how rare it is, and he knows he'll probably never see or be able to buy another one again. You know, like we've said before, we definitely plan on probably giving away this car for free. Once again, stay tuned to our free car giveaways Instagram page, which yes, you will have to follow as one of the steps to enter into this car for free. So go ahead and do that now, and then we'll also post updates regarding the next car giveaway, whether it's this or the Corvette. And I definitely think we're gonna have to do a full send as we pass through Mexico on the way back. Oh, the downshifts. Can't wait to get modding this car with all those carbon fiber goodies. And yes, within the next 1 or 2 videos, we will be straight piping the car. As we said last video, you guys crushed the 20,000 like goal, so it's gonna happen, and it's going to be loud. But that's how we like it here on YouTube and at the JR Garage. So subscribe if you're new. You're not gonna wanna miss those future upcoming videos. Turn on post notifications so you know when we post. And don't forget to download the Get Upside app like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, so that you guys can be well on your way to getting free cash back every single time you put gas into your car. Thanks so much to Composer for being a good sport and telling me all about this car and taking really good care of it. Signing off from another beautiful night here in Arizona, and we will see you guys in the next one. Take care.
That it feels right.